But this is my lathe room, which I've never showed before, but I have a lot of videos. This might be hard to see. Let's see. So, if you can see that structure to the ceiling, it's what I put my camera on. And I can move this piece, you know, left or right, and I can tilt it down right over my lathe if I want, or I can put it on these back pieces here and move it back and get back views. I usually put my kicker amphitheater speaker up there and plug it in there with all my batteries. And sure enough, I do some of my lathe work here on this machine, which is more like bowls and jewelry boxes and such. I kind of cleaned this area up recently so that I could put a table there. I'm going to start making rings, and I need light, so I need to fix that window. And then this here is where I do pool cue repair, and you can see I have different accessories over here, and some polish, sandpaper, different epoxies, my digital scale, and then you start here with the lathe, what spins here, and you hook up a little steady rest, and then the pool cue will sit from there to there, and I do all the work right here with a crosscut sled like that, and you can turn this in and out or this way, and that way it'll cut or sand or whatever I need to do. I'm just going to take that off real quick. So there it is. And then I have some more light here. I'll turn that on when I'm doing lathe work. And this is my sharpening station. There's one grinder, and the table here is basically one of those flip tables. So I have another grinder in this box with some beautiful diamond gridded wheels. CBM wheels is what they are. Let's see if I can show you that, if it'll show me. Let's see what I got here. So there's that, and you can see the CBM wheel, and there's another one there, and that's a slow moving grinder, so it's good for sharpening turning tools. There's my old railroad grinder I used to use. Put that up like that and spin this, and the wheel would spin. And there's the old wheels that I had, and I'll use that for other things, you know. And then I'll have this grinder on the bottom side of this, and I'll flip it over when I want to do fine sharpening on my lathe tools, which are up here. And basically that's the tour of the shop. I'll have a desk here one day with a couple of drill presses, and I want to put that there so that I can do more pens and pencils and wine bottle stoppers and such. And that's basically that. So here we go.